Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting to study about the tenses of past. There is a set of four past tenses. Today we are studying about the first tense of the past tenses, that is past indefinite tense. In this tense, the work is done in the previous days, in the previous months, or in the previous years. Time is not mentioned. We don't know what was the time when the work is done. What would be structure of past indefinite tense? In this tense, first subject is added. Subject is the working person, and then second form of verb is to be used in this tense, and in the last object is added. Object is a thing at which the subject works. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. It will be the structure of past indefinite tense. Let's consider the examples. Police caught the thief. Police subject. Caught is the second form of verb. The first form is catch. Second form is caught. So second form of the verb is to be used in this sentence, and in the last object is added. Object is thing at which the subject works, and verb is the work that a subject does. Second example, we played match. We subject played second form of the verb, and in the end object is added. The first form of verb played is play. Played is the second form of the verb. Let's see another example. Ali won the prize. Ali subject, won second form of the verb. Its first form is win. Won is second form of the verb, and in the last prize object at which Ali works. So you can make different sentences to use this. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are studying about the negative sentences of past indefinite tense. The name indicates that there is use of not in negative sentences. In past indefinite tense, there is use of did not. When we see past indefinite tense, the negative sentences having the following structure: first subject and then use of did not. One important thing, that is, when we use did not, there would be first form of verb in this tense is to be used, and in the last object is added. Subject did not, first form of verb, and in the last object is used. For example, simple sentence, Ali won prize. Ali won the prize. And when we make it into negative sentence, Ali did not win the prize. When we use did not, there would be first form of verb, and in the last object is added. Ali did not win the prize. Second example, we will see Hamid did not play the match. Hamid did not play the match. Hamid subject did not, then first form of verb play, and in the last there would be match object. Let's see another example. Police did not catch the thief. Police subject did not, and then catch first form of verb, and in the last object. Let's see interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense. In these sentences, did is used in the first. For example, did Ali win the match? Did police catch the thief? In these sentences, did is used in the first of sentences, and then subject, and then first form of verb, and in the last there would be object. So you can make different simple sentences To use this kind of structure,